First, let's start by getting the Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to open up whatever default browser I have on my machine. And I'm just going to say Google Chrome, and we can maybe add, I don't know, download, because this should always point us to the right direction anyway. And as you can see, we have the most secure browser on the web. And just click it over here, and we have an option for downloading. And we just bravely click here, accept and install. And this is going to be installed on my machine. Once the download has been completed, we can head over to downloads and notice over here we have the installer package. So we can just click on the package and notice right away it gives us the Google Chrome. So we can just drag and drop it to our applications just so we can have it available. And right now it's saying that it's copying to the applications and we should have it available to us in no time. Now, once the installation has been completed, you can just close it over here, and if you want, you can just eject the Google Chrome, and we can just look for it in the applications. So let me see where in the applications I have the Google Chrome. So first of all, let me open this, and once I open it up over here, it's going to ask me whether I'm okay with this being the application from the web. I'm going to say yes, that I would like to open it, as well as I would right away going to set it up in a dock. So I'm just going to right click it, and this is going to keep it in a dock. Now, also, I would right away like to make this a default browser. Now, again, you don't have to do this, but I would suggest that you do that with me. Just remember that depending on your operating system, you might need to take different steps. Now, on a Mac, I'm going to head over for this icon all the way on the top right corner and just going to click on it. So as you can see over here, we have the settings part, and we can just click on the settings link. Now, within the settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit. And notice here we have make it as a default. So I'm just going to click it over here and I'm going to say that yes, I would like to use Chrome as my default. And that pretty much completes our downloading of Chrome and setting it up as our default browser.